You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more financial insights. Welcome back to Rome Tech. In this video, we're reviewing JPMorgan Chase's business loan options. For direct links to JPMorgan Chase and their loan offerings, check the description below. JPMorgan Chase stands as a leading financial giant, offering a diverse portfolio of business financing solutions designed for businesses of all scales. Whether your goal is expansion, cash flow management, or equipment investment, Chase provides tailored business loans and lines of credit to meet those needs. Chase offers various financing avenues, including term loans, lines of credit, and equipment financing. Loan amounts span a wide range, from $5,000 up to several $1 million. Term loans are particularly well-suited for one-time expenditures, like equipment purchases or large project funding, with repayment terms extending up to 7 years. For managing working capital or addressing short-term requirements, business lines of credit are an excellent choice. These start at $10,000 and offer the flexibility to draw funds as needed, paying interest only on the utilized amount. Furthermore, Chase's equipment financing options provide competitive rates and adaptable terms, making them ideal for businesses seeking to upgrade or acquire crucial assets. One significant advantage of choosing Chase is their streamlined application process and dedicated relationship managers. These professionals collaborate closely with business owners to pinpoint the most appropriate financial products. Applications for smaller loans can often be completed conveniently online, while larger or more complex loans receive personalized support, ensuring terms are customized to the specific needs of each business. Chase also extends attractive benefits to existing customers, such as fee waivers and rate discounts for those who maintain a Chase business checking account. It's important to note that Chase's business loans are generally best suited for established businesses with a strong financial track record. The bank typically requires good credit, robust revenue streams, and comprehensive documentation. Startups and businesses with less established financial profiles may face greater challenges in qualifying. However, for businesses that meet the criteria, Chase offers competitive rates, transparent terms, and the stability and trust that comes with working with a leading financial institution. In summary, JPMorgan Chase presents a premier option for business owners in search of adaptable and competitive financing solutions from a reputable banking partner. With a diverse array of loan products, personalized support, and exclusive benefits for account holders, Chase delivers financing tailored to a wide spectrum of business requirements. Explore the links in the description to delve deeper into Chase's business loan offerings and determine if they align with your specific financial objectives. This review aims to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of whether Chase is the right financial partner for your business needs.